Welcome to this installation for Python robotic library for modeling purpose. So basically, we would like to install the environment for the basic kinematics PyBotics and also advanced kinematics modern robotics and a more robust robotics library, PyRobotics. Python robotics, we already mentioned about it. So today we are focused on these two tools. Installation of the PyBotics. To install this package, you should come to this website, github.com, NNADEAU PyBotics. So this gentleman, Nadal, is the inventor of this PyBotics. So this one is developed by him. So we want to install this one. So we just need to do pip install. So similarly, you go to your installation directory of your Python environment, hit Windows R. When it pop up with CMD, click OK. And then cd directory to this installation directory. Over here, you basically copy this pip install PyBotics and then hit return. And then we have this PyBotics installed. Next one, you need to download this package. So let's download it. And put it at a certain location. So for me, I put it under here, a unprocessed directory. And I'm going to pass it here. I'm going to open it. So this one comes with all of the development environment for it. So it has the example, say basic usage and some IPython setup. So that actually try this one. So let's start our idle. And over here, we open the file. So over here we have PyBotics, and then let's look into the example. So here actually it will run PyBotics different functionality. We import several packages and run this basic one and run it. So basically, as you can see, the basic package is working. So let me actually minimize the window. So you can see that actually it comes out with many things. So it demonstrates many calculations. So at this moment, we know that the installation is okay. Now, what we need to do right now will be coming to study the different package, kinematics, collaboration, trajectory, and path planning, machine learning, and dynamic. And this package will be working together with another package that we call it modern robotics, the core library. The core library is more advanced. So we will use both of the library, so take maximum utilization of that. And then also, because we need to have the visualization portion, so we may also continue to use this transformation package or the Python package. Now let's look at the installation of modern robotics. So here, as you can see, we are seeing the user manual for it. So you can come to here, the GitHub NS Lab is Northwestern Robotic Lab, modern robotics. And come to here, it has the description. We need the Python package. You can download whole package. And then once you download, same thing, let's go to this unprocessed portion, and I have software over here. Modern robotics, you will see this documentation file for a modern robotic lab. This one is the user manual. And then in addition to that, this package is pretty simple. You have a package core file over here, only simple one core file. So I go into here, I have a core package. So I open with Notepad++. And then you will see the design of this robotic library. And it is quite a big program, somewhere around 2009. So we will actually use that. Let's look at this one, installation of the transform packages. And it is on this py.py org. PyP actually is a pip install project. So here you can actually run this page and then just do pip install. So let's do this one. First, you come to this page and then you actually need to do pip install transformation. So basically copy to the clipboard. And then next, you need to find your installation directory. Basically for me, it would be C drive under my Python. Here, my Python directory, Python 3.6. So over here, I will hit Windows R key, and then you will bring up this runner, and then type CMD for command. Click OK, and then do CD. You need to change to the directory we have here. So basically, let's copy and paste over here. But because I do the copy and paste, so I can jump to this directory, but I lost the clipboard, so now I need to click the copy again, and then come back to here, paste, and then hit return. You will start to install this package, transformation packages. So as you can see, it takes us a while to search for it. And remember, there is some version issue, so you got to have a few requirements. You need to have a Python greater equals 3.6 and NumPy or version over 1.14. So here actually it is passed. Next one, we are going to install this one, vPython, and vPython is over here at this web page, vpython.org. So you found this page. It has this vPython, okay, and then you scroll down. And for me, I was using vPython with installed Python. So click this one. So basically, say something, I don't use this one counter. So basically, I just need to do pip install vPython. So you keep the same MS-DOS prompt. So paste here and then hit return. Okay, now my Visual Python, vPython have been installed. I already installed both of them there.